everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be stuffing my cash envelopes with my first paycheck from May. And oh yeah, like I told you guys before, so I actually did get let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. Let me move you out the way. Okay, so I told you guys before that my check was going to be a little bit bigger, so it was $993.22. And for my variable expenses, I told you guys I would explain everything and what I decided to do. And I decided to just add up all my sinking funds together and just divide it equally, or not equally, but put things where I think they should go and how much. And then so as you see, food and spending are only getting $36, and that's because I decided to get YouTube Premium. And the only reason I got that is because my phone, I listen to like YouTube at work, and just having my screen unlocked all the time, my phone was like dying super fast, and that wasn't working out for me too well. So I had to get YouTube Premium so I could still lock my phone and the video will continue to play. But other than that, I did manage to get everything with some form of money and stuff like that, so I am happy about that. And I did put the $73, I left it in my bank account, and I did put Amazon on here just so I knew for sure that the $20 from here was going to go to Amazon. So but all that's in my bank account. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out just a little bit. Okay, now let me move that off to the side. And so today we will be stuffing $313, and it's not like my normal $500 or whatever, but this is probably around the amount I'll normally be budgeting for or stuffing. So this is kind of good practice for exactly what I should be doing when I am no longer exempt. So I'm gonna get all the money together and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, you guys, I have all the money here, and as you can see, I did make my own little personal cash tray. I did see a video on TikTok of a girl doing it for sunglasses, but I decided to add like extra like rulers in here, so I didn't have to use as many of these. But if you guys want to make this yourself, I can try to find the video and leave it in my description, but if I can't, then I'm sorry. But all of this is from Dollar Tree. Like, these are from Dollar Tree, and the rulers, you just gotta cut them in half and you're good to go. But I will be spray painting this. I just haven't got the spray paint yet, so yeah, don't hold that against me. So we can get started. So let's see. How am I gonna do this? All right, we're gonna push that up. Okay, so gas has no money in here. I spent the whole 24. I did have some cents left over, but I didn't go back inside the gas station to get it, because I'm like, it's not like it's $1 and something that I actually need to go and get, so I just didn't go and get it. But gas will be getting 25, 25. Okay, so we have 25, or we added 25. What am I doing? All right, food, I think, has some money left in here. Take it out this receipt, put that over there. We have $2 left. $2 left in food, and food will be getting 36. So 20, 30, 35, 36. So we have 20, 30, 35, 36 in food. And I've been craving some Burger King, so tomorrow I will be getting a Burger King. Period, point blank. Spending has 1, 2, 3, 4 left. and some change. And I have this thing where I feel bad when I be spending my money. I don't know why, but I just feel like I need money to put in my envelope, so I can't spend it all. But I need to get out of that mindset, because that's the point of having an envelope for spending, is to spend your money. So spending will be getting 36. So we have 20, 30, 35, 36. Bro, haven't spent no money. Medical. We'll be getting did I say medical is getting 25? Oh no, medical is getting 5. Okay. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in medical. So shoes will be getting $10 this week. Unfortunately, I do need to get a lot more money in here because new shoes are coming out, and I don't want to have to go back to using my credit card because I'm already so good at not using it and getting all that debt paid off. But we gonna see. Gaming will be getting $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34 in gaming. Almost a decent amount to go to the casino and press our luck. So in gaming, we have 34. Subscriptions will be getting $11. So 10, 11. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51 in subscriptions. We're almost at 70. But I think I'm gonna go to 80 for Disney, and then I won't have to stuff that anymore. So subscriptions got 11, and we're at 51. Extra, you know, we do that at the end of our video just to see exactly how much we got in there. Beauty, we'll be getting 15. So 10 and a 5. Okay, so we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 in beauty. Who we getting there to get my hair done? So we added 15 and we have 85. All right, on to the next binder. Okay, so Christmas is getting $14. So we have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in Christmas we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have $114 in Christmas. We are pretty close to 500. We ain't got that much left to go. I mean, let me not say we right there, because yeah, we not. But we not too far off. Car is getting 20. I wish I should have did 30, but 20 is okay. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40. I think this is all the money I need for my tags, actually. And my tags is due next month. So I'll be able to deposit this and be good to go. Travel, we'll be getting 75. So 50, 75. So in travel, we have 51, 52, 50, 70, 90, 310, 315, 320, 325. I hope my math is right. Yeah. $325 in travel. Only need $25 more, and then I'll be good. Home is getting 15, 10, 5. So in home, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. So we have 165 in our home envelope, which is good. I've been thinking about going to the bank and talking to them to see exactly how much it will be based on my credit to get, see how much a mortgage would be. Because I'm very interested to see, because maybe I could start saving up for that and actually move my family out of the ghetto. But we probably gonna be here for a long time. Emergency is getting 22. So emergency has 51, 50, 70, 90, 2, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 224. You saw how I just like blanked their account in that? Like, them 50s do be tripping me up because I'm like 50, 70, like what? So emergency got 22. So we're at 224. And then last but not least is savings, which will be getting 20. You know, I had to take all that money out of savings, so we back to the bare bones. So savings has 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. But that's okay. I'm not really good at savings because in my bank account, I'm supposed to have 25 come out every month, I think. And it transfer out and I transfer right back in. Like, I've been doing that since forever. I should see about getting it taken off, but it's okay. So extra, we're going back to our other binder. Okay, so extra is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should do a $1 challenge, but the way my bank account is set up and my bills and all these credit cards, I won't be doing no challenges no time soon. So we can count this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500. So this is 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have $506, which is correct. Because let me tell y'all, the other day, I was counting it because I had to make change and I knew I had a lot of ones in here. And for some reason, I had got like $520 and I'm like, hold on. Like, I know for sure that's not right. I'm like, because I said I only got 500 in here. So we added 6, so we're at 506. And I was thoroughly shocked. I'm like, 520? Like, where I get this extra $20 from? But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I worked really hard on it. Like, I mean, you can still see like imperfections here, but once it gets spray painted and I decorate it, I think it'll be really cute. And you'll see this featured more than likely all the time, unless I decide to be like, I'm gonna just put it on the desk today. But we'll see. I'm not too sure yet, but I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And please give me your feedback if there's something that you don't like, or if there's something you really like, or if there's something you want me to do. Please leave it down in the comments below. I read everyone, I respond to everyone, I like everyone, because it's to help my channel grow and to help me put out content that everybody really wants to see. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. So bye, you guys.